Good day, I am Christine Isla from BS Criminology 1E3, and today I am going to talk about criminal justice system. From the word criminal justice system, mapapansin natin na nahahati siya sa tatlong word, criminal, justice, and system. Criminal, it refers to a person who committed a crime or has been found guilty by a court. And the word justice, it can be described in basic principle. First is giving what is due to others and treating equally and unequally. And the word system, it pertains to a process or procedure in order to achieve certain ends. And from the word criminal justice, it pertains to the various agency of the government responsible in the processing law violators para ma-serve yung end of justice. Ang criminal justice system, it is actually the machinery of the state or the law necessary to protect life, property, and to maintain peace and order. Siya yung instrumento na ginagamit ng ating society in preventing and controlling crimes and delinquency. Ang criminal justice system is composed of 5 pillars: the law enforcement, prosecution, court, correction, and community. And now, let's talk about accused. What is accused? It is a person who has been charged with a crime but has not yet been tried. The person who has been charged is also known as the defendant. And the second one is acquittal. Acquittal, it is a legal determination that an accused is not guilty of the offense for which he or she has been charged or tried based on the decision of either a jury or a judge. At the conclusion of a criminal trial, a judge or jury finds a defendant not guilty. Acquittal simply indicates that the prosecution failed to prove its case beyond a reasonable doubt, not that the defendant is innocent. The third one is appeal. Appeal is a request by the defense or the state for the case to be reviewed by an appeals court. Moreover, a failed party in a litigation or administrative action may timely appeal to a superior court that is competent to reconsider a final judgment based on an incorrect interpretation of the law. And the fourth one is arraignment. An arraignment is a court appearance. It's where the individual who mistreated you is legally charged with the offense by the court. The arraignment will take place first in court. If the individual who mistreated you is apprehended and the district attorney files a criminal complaint against them, the arraignment takes place after the showcase hearing if you submit the criminal complaint yourself. Ano mangyayari kapag during arraignment? During the arraignment, the court informs the abusive person of the charge against them. Then they will also notify the individual who is abusing them that they have the right to a lawyer. Also, if they are pleading guilty or not guilty, the abusive person says so. And lastly, the court sets bail, the amount of money the abusive person must pay to be released from jail until their trial, as well as any bail terms, such as not being allowed to leave the state. In addition, you are not required to attend the arraignment, although you may do so if you choose. At the arraignment, the court will not ask you to speak. You may be asked to speak at a later hearing by the assistant district attorney. The assistant district attorney will issue a witness including the date on which you must attend and testify about the abuse. And what happened after the arraignment? The the abusive individual will have to appear in court for a pre-trial conference following the arraignment. They might plead guilty to anything that would end the matter at that meeting. The court will establish a trial date if they do not enter the plea for guilty should be sent to the district attorney office's victim or witness advocate. And the last term is bail. What is bail? When an accused individual is freed before and during a trial with the assurance that the defendant would return to court when ordered to do so, money or property is handed to the court as security. If the defendant fails to appear in court, the bail is forfeited. How does the court set bail? The court will set bail in order to ensure that the abusive individual shows up for their trial. The court makes the abusive individual pay money to the court by establishing bail. They will only be reimbursed if they appeared for the trial. The courts feel that if the bail is set high enough, the defendant is more likely to return to court.